All right, so we shot our new NSW Recce that's come out. Apparently it's not an NSW Recce anymore, but still really cool. So we shot it unsuppressed at first. Now we're gonna run it suppressed. So our target is maybe a little more than 400 yards out. See how it goes. Impact. What do you think? Very nice. I like. You want to talk about the Recce a little bit, or about how it's shooting? Great success. No, it's shooting good. I think I got a few hits in there, and I'm super stoked on it. Running well, doing good with our jet block. So, how's the suppressed setting? It's gonna sound biased, but personally, I don't feel any gas to my face. So it seems like we got it dialed in perfectly on this one for the Recce, and yeah, I'm stoked on it.
Okay, so we got to hold 3 feet high at 400. So let's bring it in, since this target is like skinnier than my pubes, and see if we can actually hit something. All right, so since we were not making very many hits, I'm blaming it on the scope, not our terrible skill. We moved up to 330 yards, which, see what my geoballistics says. It's like 5, let's call it 5 MOA. MOA scope, MOA reticle, by the way. Not cool. All right, see how she does. All right, so I was holding right edge before, now I'm holding left edge, and I'm making hits. So it wasn't the scope, it was just me getting old and my eyes can't see so good anymore. But yeah, doing great. Send a couple more downrange, see if we can get a double tap. I suck. All right, I can't do a double tap, I suck. It's okay though.
That ejection though.
Was it good?
Oh, it was phenomenal.
Sweet. Yeah, I'm getting no gas to my face. Might be because I'm wearing goggles, but you know, it's working pretty well. You know, I think it's the tucked in shirt. It's really helping make her more accurate.
Dad points.
That's the trick, dude. Gotta look like a dad. Gotta tuck in your shirt real good. Not wearing boots today, but that's okay. Yeah. All right, so this gun's got 130 rounds through it. We're being very meticulous and counting every single round. We have a log, you know, on our iPhone, tracking how many rounds we have through this thing. And we're gonna come up with the service schedule or maintenance schedule for the jet block, thanks to this rifle. So how long or how many rounds you can put through it before you gotta drop a little bit of CLP on the springs and detents, and yeah, to be determined.